In this video, I will show you how to find your Steam screenshots on your PC so you can quickly access, view and share them. Now to do this, the easiest way is if you actually open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, come up to the top left hand corner and click onto view just up here. And on this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto recordings and screenshots. Now what that's going to do is take you to this screen where you're going to find all your different screenshots from your different games. You have got some filters at the top, so you can choose to search certain games for screenshots for specific games if you want to. And what you want to do is just right click onto any of the screenshots. So let's take this one for example. Once you right click, you're going to get a small menu come up. On this, you want to come and click onto show on disk. What that's going to do is actually open up the PC folder where your Steam screenshots are going to be saved. So that is how to find Steam screenshots on your PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.